Hi guys, I'm Awil. Today is 26 July 2025 and I bought a camera, Osmo Action 5 Pro. It arrived yesterday, but I didn't open it yet because I was very busy. So this Digital Osmo Action Pro is a adventure packet. So in the inside box we have these things. So we get open. And then next to me I have some group, some friends. So I am also a little bit shy to make this video because I cannot scream too much. So this is Osmo Action 5 Pro. Let's open this packet and let me see what's inside. I am very tired guys because I didn't sleep good for last 2 days. Today I'm very tired, so I am not trying to be very energyful or something like that. Sorry about that. But man, what is this, man? It's very difficult to open this. From here. So let's see what is inside in the box. Osmo Action 5 Pro. Yeah, when I opened, I see two apart plates, Action 5 Pro and the accessories. So this part is the accessories. And here is the camera, Osmo Action 5 Pro. First I'm gonna open the accessories part, so let's see what we have inside. We have this, so what is this? I don't know. If I look here, it looks like curved advis base. Actually I don't want to open, but I think we don't need to open right now because I'm gonna let's open what's gonna happen. Yeah, this, as you see. And the second thing that we have, this is the charge cable. Actually, it looks like the transfer cable, I think. Type C cable, yeah. Type C cable. If you look, it's like this. This is the second one. And this is the battery case. It's very amazing. When I saw in YouTube, so you can charge in this battery case in the same time, like 3 battery. It's amazing. Oh, look at guys, the battery that are inside. It's amazing. So if you go to travel, if you do long rides, you can charge only these 3 batteries and you can use a long time. It's amazing. 3 batteries, yeah, in one battery case. So we have here button. What does this button? You can start the charge of stop, I think, I don't know. And here is the charging place from the battery case. It's also type C. It's amazing, guys. I hope you can hear me, guys, because actually today I slept only 1 hour. I didn't make any prepare, guys, sorry, because I decided last 30 minutes ago to make a video. So we have only card here. What is this? Ah, sticker. It's very nice. They give us this sticker, DGI. What is here? Here is the quick start guide. Now it's making video, I hope, because I don't know how many minutes it's happening right now. Oh. Let's put the all accessories inside, so it's better to not lose all of them, right? We paid too much, huh? This adventure packet, I paid for this adventure packet 470 euro. I'm gonna make later this. Now we are in the exciting time because I'm gonna open the camera. Osmo 5 Action Pro. Let's see. Oh. What is this? Silica gel, do not eat, okay. It looks like two camera, but it's only one camera. The other one is case, I think. Here's the camera, guys. Let's open the camera. Here is the camera. DJ Osmo Action 5 Pro. The behind screen and the forward screen. What is here? Yeah, you can search the rest yourself. So this was the camera. Let's put it back. Camera side up is better, maybe. Yeah. And this is the, I guess, the case. What is that? Protective frame. Yeah, protective frame. Protective frame. Do we have to open this? Let's open. This is the protective case frame. So you can save your camera from, for example, you put in the camera here inside, and if it is fall, so you can protect from damage. And they have here some speeders. I don't know what is in English. So this is the protecting case. Today is a little bit rainy. It's like a rainy, cloudy. I hope it's not gonna rain. So guys, this was my video. I don't want to make a long video. I just made for the people who are curious about the box open. I don't have too much knowledge information. I'm just a normal person. So if you want more information, knowledge, you can search by yourself. I just opened the box. What inside in the box? What's in the box? 7. Yeah, and I bought also extra this hanging neck mount. This is extra. So this was the Osmo as a winter packet, but this is extra. I paid apart for this. This is the hanging neck mount. Why I bought this camera? Because after 2 months, I think I'm gonna start motor riding. I'm gonna take the driver lessons about motorbike. And also next week I want to travel to the Japan, so I want to make also videos there. So I'm gonna use this camera for making videos in my life sometimes if I visit some nice places, and also when I'm riding motorbike. So we will see you guys. This was the end video. So I think this was my video. Take care of yourself and goodbye.